Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a Southwest Airlines collection video. So this is all my 1 to 400 scale Southwest airplanes that I want to go over. And if I had to guess, it'd be about $700 or $800 total, because there's a bunch of rare airplanes in this little collection thing. So I'm going to put you guys on the tripod and we'll get straight into it. I'm going to name the airplane, the livery, where I got it, or any history I have with it, I guess you could say. And it should be a cool video. So if you guys are excited, make sure to smash that like button and hit the big red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. So yeah, let's dive straight into it. So here is the whole collection. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 planes in this video. I do have one more Southwest plane on the way, which would be the Canon Blue, so it would be this model, but it has split skims. So I'm very excited for that. That would be by NG Models. So yeah, let's dive straight into it. Okay, starting off the video, or the Southwest collection, we have a Southwest 737-300. This aircraft is in the Canon Blue livery. I got this plane and the sister one over here in the Arizona One livery. I got both of these from eBay. This was a private seller off eBay, and all I remember is it was from China that it came from, and it took oh my god, it took 3 months to get here. I'm not even kidding. But I am very glad I was able to get it, and the reason I did get it a few years ago, I knew they were retiring, but the reason I got it was because I flew this exact plane, so exact livery, exact registration, to Des Moines, Iowa, a few years ago. I'd say either 2014 or 15, to go visit my grandparents. So this model just kind of has a special place in my heart, even if I can't use it in airport updates, which I still do, because you know I'm the boss here. I'm just kidding. But it still just means a lot, so that's why I got it. The next one is a Southwest 737-300. Sorry, this is in the Arizona One livery. I did not fly on this plane unless it got repainted to this livery, when I'm not aware of. This is a very cool plane, that's why I bought it. The livery is just outstanding. I don't know if they put this livery on a 700. I'm assuming they did, but I don't have it, and I have yet to see a picture of it either. The next one is a Southwest 737-700 in the Battleborn livery. This livery is normally in the mustard livery, but great, someone's car horn, that's just nice. This is normally in the mustard livery, but I customized it into the new livery, and I think it looks really fantastic. Here we have the Southwest 737-700. This is in the Louisiana one. No, Tennessee one. Tennessee one. I got this wrong on one of my videos and someone corrected me. I got this plane because it's a very beautiful livery. I love the stars, the white stripes. I love everything about this model, even the little blue engines here, and it's red, white, and blue engines, and I thought this was just a sick model. Alright, on to the second row. This is the Colorado One livery, and you know, of course, I had to get it. I'm just gonna move this one out of the way so you don't see it. So yeah, you know, of course I had to get this one because, you know, I live in Colorado, as most of you hopefully know. This is a very beautiful model. Unfortunately, as you can see, the very front, I lost the landing gear for it. It fell off as soon as I got it, so thank you, Gemini Jets, I really appreciate it. But it's okay, I'm just gonna order a new one from Todd. But I asked him, and he said I need the item number, and I'm assuming that's somewhere in the box, and I just forgot to get to it. Next, we have two Southwest 737-700s. Both of these models together is about 170, I want to say. because I ordered one for $90 and one for $80 or something like that. But these are very beautiful models, and I highly recommend them if you can get your hands on them. I wish they would just release these, like either NG models or Gemini jets, because nobody's releasing these, and they're like the primary plane to fly to Denver, of course, with my luck. The next one is the Triple Crown 1, the tail heavy, extremely tail heavy. I don't care if you're putting it on a tilted surface either way, it still falls off the back. Whatever you do, it's going to be tail heavy. I swear, the only models in my collection that are tail heavy would be Southwest planes. I don't see any other, like, I don't know what Gemini Jets does to make me hate Southwest planes, but, so yeah, that's Triple Crown 1. Then we have the 737-800 in terrible lighting. Looks like there's a strobe happening. Voice crack, that's just nice. So yeah, this is a very beautiful model. I got this off eBay for about $90, so very expensive, because these Southwest planes really hold their value. So yeah, and then we have another one over here. I'm just gonna remove the other planes out of this scene, so you can actually, like, see the planes, because at the moment you can't. Well, there, just broke that landing gear, but that's just excellent. Okay, so here we have the Southwest 737-800. I got this plane for about $90 as well. So as I mentioned, they really do hold their value. So in total, if I didn't already mention, it's about a $700 collection just for Southwest planes. The next one would be the Canyon Blue livery. I am very happy I got the one without the split skims as well as the one with split skims, assuming I actually get my NG models in a year now. I really do love this livery, and I hope that Southwest makes like a retro livery of this plane, or at least keeps one in the Canyon Blue livery, because that's what they did with the mustard livery. And personally, I think that would be pretty cool to have like a little memorial, or like to remember it. Because the mustard livery was a very cool plane. I'm very glad they kept one of them in, like, the mustard livery. Too bad it's stored because of this whole stupid thing going around. And then, of course, the most fortunate, wasted my money on. Focus. I'm gonna chuck you out the window, you piece of crap. Yep. There we go. Okay. So we have a Southwest 737 MAX 8. Unfortunately, I bought two of these for no apparent reason, because it doesn't look like they're flying anytime soon. Actually, I think they're coming out with something new besides the MAX. Like, they're gonna turn the MAX into something else. I don't know. I just heard something, but, you know, that could be rumors. So yeah, this was my collection video of Southwest planes. I have more behind me. I just had to move them because of it being in the way. So yeah, if you can get your hands on a Southwest model, I definitely recommend it, because they really do hold their value, and they are very rare, and they're just a beautiful livery. That even, like, any liveries they come out with, they're probably one of the most beautiful besides Iceland Air. So yeah, if you can't get your hands off of them, make sure to. And the title of this video should be something like Southwest Airlines Collection, Gemini Jets, Southwest Airlines Collection, something like that. And I did say super rare in the front, because some of these are actually over $100 now if I looked them up on eBay. Like this one, those two, that one, and the one way over there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. The big red notification bell. The big red subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. This was a fun video to make, and I really am proud of my collection. I might make this like a series in the future for Frontier, because I do have a ton of Frontier planes that are special livery. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.